Hello, from Greenview Building and Design Company Incorporated. With over 30 years of experience building quality, innovative family homes in Connecticut's Litchfield County community, Greenview Building and Design Company Incorporated has established a reputation for delivering the highest standards of workmanship. We insist on building the finest homes using the best architects, materials, and subcontractors, and our homes are guaranteed to withstand the test of time. Aside from home building, we offer full home remodeling and home restoration services. We invite you to join our growing family of proud homeowners as we continue our tradition of building and remodeling custom, energy-efficient homes. Call today to discuss your project with a specialist.